Hi, I'm Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to talk about identity verification. For years, the industry leaned on a method called knowledge-based authentication, or KBA. And for a while it worked, but the cracks are showing. And the solution? It's already in your pocket. Here's the problem with KBA. You've been in this session before. You've met your signer and are watching them go through the KBA process. Your signer gets hit with a series of multiple choice questions, such as, which of these was your previous address? Which car did you own in 2014? And these questions are pulled from old data that may or may not be accurate. And here's what happens. Sometimes legitimate signers fail. Their memory fades. The data behind those questions is outdated. And when that data has been exposed in a breach, someone else might have the answers before your signer does. The result is abandoned sessions, frustrated clients, and a process that feels more like a test than a transaction. And that's not the experience anyone deserves. The industry is moving on, and it's moving towards something that you already use every day. Biometric verification. The same technology that unlocks your phone, the same encryption your bank trusts with your money. It's more secure than memory-based methods. And for most signers, it's done in under a minute. The tech is already here, and BlueNotary has it built in. So what does the process actually look like? There are 3 steps. Step 1, the signer uploads a photo of the front and back of their government-issued ID. The platform automatically checks for security watermarks and signs of tampering. Step 3. That live scan is cross-referenced against the ID photo through Persona, our trusted identity verification partner. A definitive match confirmed in real time. 3 steps, less than 60 seconds. Now, here is where biometrics gets really powerful. Because a sophisticated bad actor might try to hold up a photo or play a video, biometric verification accounts for that too. The platform doesn't just look at a face, it watches you be alive. It detects blinks, micro expressions, natural motion. It confirms real-time physical presence before it ever accepts a match. You can't fool it with a still image. You can't fool it with a recording. The person on camera has to actually be there in that moment. That's liveness detection, and it's one of the most important layers of security in modern identity verification. So let's pull back and look at the big picture. 3 reasons biometric verification is becoming the new standard. When you use biometric verification through BlueNotary, you're powered by Persona, one of the most trusted identity verification platforms in the industry. Every session produces audit-ready logs. Every verification matches a live human to a government-authenticated identity. The integrity of that notarization is documented, defensible, and done right. It's not just a better experience. It's a stronger legal record. 2, 0 friction. Think about your clients, not just the ones who use tech all the time. Think about the ones who struggle with KBA, the ones who you watch before the session and they're in a panic because they failed the quiz, the elderly client, the signer who moved 5 years ago and can't remember which address the system has on file. Biometrics removes all of that. If they can unlock a smartphone, they can complete this verification under 60 seconds. It's not frustrating. And that's the kind of experience that earns referrals. And data privacy. So let's answer the question that people are thinking but might not ask. Where does my face scan go? The moment the scan is captured, it's converted into numeric template, not stored as an image, and it can't be reversed back into an image. An encrypted mathematical representation that meets strict compliance and data security standards. Your signer's biometric data stays theirs, and that's our commitment to you. Get your signers verified. Get protected as a notary. Get your sessions done in minutes. That's the standard BlueNotary is building, and it's available right now. If you're a notary who wants to offer your clients the most secure, seamless identity verification experience in the industry, you're in the right place. So if this video helped you see your notary business differently, hit subscribe. And if you're ready to take your signings online, head to BlueNotary.us to learn more.